Welcome back to the channel, man. Y'all see where I'm at, man. Y'all recognize this place? No, not Brothers Motors, guys. I am at my other part-time home, Allpar garage, guys. Yes, you can tell by all. Ooh, look at that beauty right there. That joker there is clean. This Challenger right here. What we got? Man, do y'all see that? Look at that hood. Oh, what that is? I'm about to get a closer look at that, guys. That is a monster beauty of a car. Whoa! Yeah, I gotta go get a little closer view, guys. So, yes, once again, I am at Allpar Garage. Guys, it's day Thursday. I gotta come over and take care of some business. So y'all know what? I might as well fire the camera up. And y'all know how I do, man. Y'all know how I sneak and do, rather. Get me some footage. I love me some footage, baby. So, what I'm gonna do is get my sneak on, guys. Alright, y'all stay tuned. I know what I wanna see. I wanna see, where is that shiny car? Oh. Whoa. Whoa. They cutting the hood in the top. That's where the air intake coming from, guys? What y'all think? Where you at, Hemi? This car smell hot like they just put it out here. Something is going on fishy, guys. I don't think I should be over here, guys. I think this is top secret G14 classified type stuff, guys. Look at that. You close the hood. So what happens when it rains? I don't know. Before I say something crazy, that look like a turbocharger. All right, this might be top secret, guys. So I'm gonna go this the way, just in case. Y'all don't need to see that. Y'all know how it be sometime around here. But look at that beauty there. This is the one I passed earlier. Wow. Whoa, whoa. Supercharger. Still your typical, what is it, 345? It says 345 on the side. Just add a supercharger to it. I guess you can make it whatever you'd like it to be. How much more pep in its step will it have? I don't know. Y'all notice the tire difference between the front and the rear? Okay. I don't know, guys. I'm not over here enough to grasp the understanding on everything that's going on. But I'm more interested to know what's going on in the shop, guys. So let's go inside the shop and look at the magic. This is beauty right here. Look at the magic that's going on inside the shop. Okay, this is plain Jane here, so I wonder what's in the works for it. Similar to the other vehicles, but no supercharge on them. So I don't know. Let's go inside, guys. Let's get it. What up, man? Hey, Jimmy in here? Yeah, they're in the office. Alright, thanks. Whoa. Whoa. What is going on? Oh, this is the one they was putting together last time. They finally got it out of the stall. So, look at that beauty there, guys. Whoa. That is a freaking beauty. Supercharged 6.2. How much more pep do you want, my friend? Alright, this might be some more G14 classified, guys. I don't think I need to be over here. Okay, I think they still waiting on parts on that. Y'all remember that last time I was here? Yeah, they waiting on parts. Look at this beauty here. Oh, talk about a beauty. Okay, I gotta get in on some of this action. I don't know what to say, but that is a beauty. All right, let me get y'all some more footage. What's going on over here? Okay, we got some heads going on over here. Man, I'm afraid to ask what that's going on. Guess they still waiting on parts for this supercharger. Sitting right here. These guys are busy making the world faster and faster. All right, so before I just be rude and not speak, I haven't even spoke to the boss yet. I guess they sent those heads out to get worked. The machine shop they deal with, guys, the same one we deal with at the dealer, but we don't typically get heads rebuilt anymore. We replace them. But when you're dealing with high performance, I guess it's cost efficient to get them looked at and reconditioned. All right, guys, so I got to go speak to the owner. All right, so let's go this way. All right, guys, as you can see, they got some stuff going on. Now, from what I just heard, guys, the lifters, non-MDS lifters are becoming hard to find. So I don't know what Stellantis or FCAs, I don't know what they up to. We're in the dyno area right now. So there go the AC machine. But nothing's on the dyno, so I guess that 1500 they had up here finally got it up to speed. All right, so I'm not gonna waste a lot of time, guys. I'm gonna queue up for I've seen these in action, guys. They just simply, sometimes you gotta roll a car in. So you put this, I saw them using those last time. I said, pretty unique. We don't do such things because the cars we bring in on wheels. But you'd be surprised what these guys get in here. Now, let me go back to this. He just explained some of this to me. I didn't catch all of it. Supercharger of a supercharger, a bigger supercharger. My question was, what was wrong with the other supercharger? Answer was simple. It wasn't big enough. Wow. How simpler. I don't get it. So it is what it is. Oh, I think I explained to you guys last time with this blue. It's just protection device. All right, like a shop rag. They stick this on here so they don't get so yeah, they take pride in the customers' fenders and things like that. All right, so yes, obviously this supercharger is not as big or as bigger as this one. Now, are they both 6'2"? Let's find out. I don't know. Yeah, I want to say this Hellcat. Wow. Where does it end, guys? How fast do you really want to go? They said it never ends. All right, I had enough fun, so let me queue up for a live stream. Expect y'all to be on board. Now, this video is not going to air before the live stream air, but for the most part, I need y'all to tune in, guys. All right, stay tuned.